You've kind of got to make sure you know where you live and how the storm is going to impact you based on the map and the conditions. Hopefully that's a good piece of advice for you to make the decisions that you need to make. I wish I could come to your house and make the decision for you. Look at that sun kissing One World Trade down there. I love that. What a great, beautiful start here. You got plenty of day to enjoy. Feels like 28 degrees right now when you take the temperature and the light winds that we've got out there. The alerts look like this. Winter storm warning in pink, Pepto-Bismol pink, going all the way back into Pennsylvania and upstate New York. Areas in purple under the winter weather advisory. Got a tweet in this morning. They said, what is the difference between these? Winter storm warning, more significant impacts. Winter weather advisory, lesser impacts, but still something to be very vigilant about. And it's not just about the snow we're expecting. If we take the liquid available and freezing temperatures at the beginning of the storm, these are the amounts of snow accumulations we could get. But if we get the 1 to 3 inches, you know, extending all the way out to the North Shore of Long Island, back in here through central New Jersey, parts of the city, or we get 3 to 6 for parts of the city extending up through the lower Hudson Valley, we get those things, but overnight while everyone's sleeping doesn't have much of an impact when rain follows this and mushes it down or washes a lot of it away. And that's exactly what could happen. Areas north and west will be cold enough the entire time. Their snow is really going to stack up. What you can do here, no matter where you are in the tri-state, is salt your steps and sidewalks and your driveways. Do not wait until the end of this storm to clear the snow and ice, which means an early wake-up call tomorrow. But I promise you, if you get the snow out of the way, you'll be like, thank goodness I did that. I'm so happy because the cold will freeze everything. You don't want the snow on your car to freeze and then you have to break that off and jeopardize your car and all these kinds of things. So that's kind of the message here, is if you can get ahead of getting the snow and ice and slush and sleet out of the way, rain comes through and does its job, you salt it, you won't have as big of an ice mess. We're at 32 degrees right now, but the temperature goes up during the afternoon. Like I said, we can get out and do plenty of activities before the storm arrives. What's happening here is we're tapping into Gulf moisture. You can see that extending all the way really from Texas through Tennessee and the Ohio River Valley. And then on the north side of this, enough cold air coming in to give Chicago some snow. And northern Indiana is getting accumulations right now as well. Futurecast by noon, we're into the mid-30s. There is a difference between our temperatures in the city right now, here on the Upper West Side, where we've got 36 at Central Park, and then back to the north and west. After 4 o'clock, we'll see that snow coming across state lines from Pennsylvania into New Jersey. That's where things will begin first. And then parts of the northern counties get their snow, and we join in about 5, 6 o'clock, and there's snow initially. But the temperatures are still above freezing. So it'll be very difficult for us to see any freezing rain at the surface. Instead, we'll get a lot of rain washing away any snow accumulation that happened. Then our temperatures go up significantly. Overnight tonight into early tomorrow, we could be in the low to mid 40s in a lot of cases. Then what happens is cold air comes rushing in during the day on Sunday. Our wind gusts could be 30 to 40 miles an hour. And the winds, along with the air, start to cool to where we're in the teens and even single digits on the thermometer on Sunday night into Monday. Future wind gusts look like this, taking us into the storm. We go up to about 30, 35 miles an hour. They settle down briefly, and then late Sunday afternoon into Monday, we have big winds again, and that's going to take the wind chill factor as low as we've been talking about, 15 and 20 below. So this flash freeze behind the storm could be more impactful. You wake up, you don't think it's a big deal with the snow. You go out and about, but we could have some icing on surfaces north and west. We could also see icing where it just rained and then temperatures fell fast. Again, the wind chill factor takes us very low. Early on Monday morning, 15 below. It's a holiday. Thank goodness you can sleep in if you want, hopefully. And then we have that wind chill factor all the way through the afternoon that could be as much as 10 to 20 below zero. The AccuWeather 7-day forecast looks like this. 34 degrees, snow beginning after sunset in the city tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures that are warmer, in some cases pushing the upper 30s to the low 40s during the storm. And then it's brutally cold on Monday with 15 degrees and a severe wind chill. We'll go to 29 on Tuesday, a lot more sunshine, but it's still bitter. And then Wednesday into Thursday, there is a wintry mix expected. That's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Reach out on social media if you have any specific questions. Rob, Tony?
All right, Amy, thank you very much. A special calendar today. I don't know whether you saw the big post on social media, but a certain someone is officially, show him the rock, baby girl, officially engaged. Tony Yates, a lucky man out there, put a ring on it. So a very special calendar for
And I'm going to get it wrong now because he just put me.
I won't even make you guess. A very well-known song. We're going back to 1964 to a group called the Dixie Cups with a song that contains the lyric, "That bells will ring, the sun will shine, I'll be his and he'll be mine," is the lyric. This is the very famous song.
Yeah, I knew that
Chapel
one.
of Love. Go into the chat. That's it.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Yes, I am.
No one
Thank
has
you.
got a better, a bigger heart than Tony Yates here, so I'm so happy for you.
Thank you for that. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Indeed. We'll do another one at 9. So
Lucky girl.
roll it.